Hello friends, welcome to Department of Plant Pathology, KDSP Agriculture College Nasik. In previous lecture, we have studied all the diseases of apple, their causal organisms and symptomatology and their management. Today we are going to see the new disease of peach, that is peach leaf curl, and this peach leaf curl is caused due to Taphrina deformans. This is one of the fungal pathogen. You can see the symptoms of this peach leaf curl on fruits and leaves also. Peach leaf curl first appears in spring as reddish areas on developing leaves. These are become thickened and puckered, causing leaves to leaf curl, and severe distortion of leaves here also occurs. The thickened areas turn yellow and then grayish white as velvety spores are produced on the surface of this leaf curl fungus. Later affected leaves turn yellow or brown and can remain on the tree or may fall off after the infection. Sometimes there are leaves that develop more normally. The loss of leaves and the production of the second set of results in decrease in tree growth and fruit formation and fruit production also. Defoliation in spring may expose branches to sunburn injury. That way, always this disease can cause severe losses in peach crop. The peach leaf curl pathogen also infect young green twigs and shoots also. Affected shoots become thickened, stunted, distorted, and often dies after the infection. Only rarely do reddish, wrinkled, distorted leaves were developed, and sometimes hypertrophied like symptoms were also produces on fruits. You can see the symptoms of these hypertrophied fruit symptoms. For management of this peach leaf curl, there are some resistant varieties which were available, that Frost, Indian Free, Muir and Q18. These are some resistant varieties found against this peach leaf curl. The peach cultivar Frost is reportedly very tolerant but must receive fungicide application the first 2 to 3 years. Red Heavens peach and some cultivars derived from it are tolerant to peach leaf curl, whereas red skin peach and some cultivars derived from it and ranges from susceptible to highly susceptible to attack of this peach leaf curl. There are some few resistant nectarines also. There are Graperidge is one of the such variety which can be used for management of this disease. Similarly, there are some fungicides like chlorothalonil, then non-copper fungicides like carbendazim or propiconazole are effective against managing this peach leaf curl. That's all about peach leaf curl and its management. Thanks for watching this video.